The Central Suriname Nature Reserve, 1.6 million hectares of primary tropical rainforest, is one of the most important sites for biological conservation in Suriname. The reserve was legally established in July 1998 under the Nature Protection Act of 1954. It is located in the center of the country and is part of the Guyana Shield, a high plateau area of old rocks estimated to be about 2 billion years old. The reserve forms a unique landscape linking three former reserves: the Rallyfallen Nature Reserve, the Tafelberg Nature Reserve, and the Eilertsdeham Nature Reserve. Together, the three reserves consist of unique geological formations which include granite outcrops or inselbergs. These very unique formations support diverse populations of wild plant and animal species. This block of protected area was established to help sustain viable populations of plant and animal species and the flow of ecosystem goods and services in Suriname. In the northern part of the Central Suriname Nature Reserve lies the Rallyfallen territory. This part of the reserve has rich primary forest, unique geological formations, an abundance of fresh water, and is well known due to tourism activities. Also in this area live a wide variety of exotic birds, snakes, frogs, and other species. A very unique bird is the Guinean cock of the rock, seldom seen by humans. This beautiful red bird finds its home among the rocky outcrop deep under the canopy on the ground zone. The harpy eagle, whose habitats in other parts of the world are being destroyed by deforestation, flourishes in the Central Suriname Nature Reserve. The reserve is also home to all 8 primate species found in the Guyanas, such as the bearded saki. The Tafelberg territory is the most remote or isolated of the reserves. There are no human populations situated anywhere near this territory. This area has over the years been the subject of biological expeditions and research. These studies have indicated that only the tip of the iceberg is explored, and that there is still much biological richness to discover. The Eilertsdeham territory, located in the southern part of the Central Suriname Nature Reserve, consists of a variety of yet unknown ecosystems. Beautiful to see is a unique geological feature, the Devil's Egg, a giant boulder balanced on the top of a granite spire rising almost 900 meters above sea level. Also in this part of the reserve is the Wilhelmina mountain range, the location of Suriname's highest peak, the Juliana Top, rising up to 1,230 meters above sea level. The Central Suriname Nature Reserve is also very important due to its contribution to freshwater conservation in the country. Water is the essential foundation for every living cell on Earth and for the continued existence of life. Of all the water on Earth, only 2.5% is freshwater. The Central Suriname Nature Reserve is therefore essential in the provision of clean, unpolluted fresh water. Rivers, interrupted by cascading waterfalls and effervescing rapids, are very important for the nature reserve, which interests scientists to research and study them. Air in the immediate vicinity of water turbulence is more saturated with oxygen. The bubbling action of waterfalls and rapids adds oxygen to the water, which is very beneficial for the aquatic ecosystem. Fish and plant species such as algae and mosses flourish here. Situated about 60 kilometers to the north of the reserve are the Maroon villages of Kaimonston and Wittegron. Many Maroon communities still embrace their traditional lifestyles, with each tribe successfully maintaining their African-based culture. They look positively towards the development and implementation of a management plan for the nature reserve, in the hope that they will obtain jobs as tour guides, boatsmen, and research assistants. To the south of the reserve lies the village of Kwamalasumutu. In Kwamalasumutu live more than 1,000 indigenous people belonging to the trio and other tribes. The trios, still living in their natural environment, are one of the 5 major indigenous tribes in Suriname. The global importance of the Central Suriname Nature Reserve to nature conservation was demonstrated by its designation in November 2000 as a World Heritage Site. With this designation, the Central Suriname Nature Reserve was recognized as an exceptional natural heritage with the capacity to contribute to global well-being. The Suriname Conservation Foundation. Together, we do make a difference.